Hey, it's Ryan with Backroad Reviews, and in this review, we're going to take a look at the pour-over coffee maker here by Maestri House. We've been using this for probably 6 months and wanted to do a review on it. What we like about this product is the filter holder is all stainless, and it does have a magnetic connection to the base, so it holds up better, won't fall over as quickly. The carafe is of high quality glass. The stand has a rubber pad on the bottom, and it's relatively heavy. So this works really, really well for holding things together. We have a little bit of a sample here we can do. So when you pour your coffee, get your V60 filter in there. And then you want to do a short pour. And what you're doing is getting any of the stuff out of the filter. Then once that's done, you can pour in your coffee, depending on your tastes. Little goes a long way. And then when you're pouring the coffee in, you want to, instead of just pouring it straight down, you want to do a circle. And you want to go constantly around the edges. Unlock all the flavor profiles of the coffee grounds. This makes phenomenally smooth coffee. If you haven't used a pour-over coffee maker before, you're in for a real treat. It smooths out the coffee quite a bit. And the only thing that we would recommend is if you're going to let it sit for a long time, maybe possibly put it on a heating element on very low, and keeps it warmer that way. My name's Ryan with Backroad Reviews. Thanks for watching.